Oh, right, I am super sorry for that interruption. I either accidentally closed Streamlabs, Streamlabs decided to combust on itself. So, we are back. I also discovered that I was muted for basically the entire time. um, so you guys did not hear a lot of the stuff I actually had to say. So, I'm probably going to, do some of the stuff again. Not crazy a lot, just some of the stuff again. So I'm probably gonna do at least one language, and I'll save the MMO for like completely later. Um, so yeah, that really does suck. So yeah. So let's get back to the programming language. I'm only gonna do one because we already covered all the others in my other stream, but you know what happens. So yeah, that really does suck. That two massive errors occurred. I mean, it's a good thing that other stream crashed because I would be muted for the rest of the time. So yeah. I also decided to do a lower latency just because that is just better. I've opened up Visual Studio Code, probably not share. Let me go to my main. So I'm gonna open up a new folder and I'm gonna do just regular programming languages. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna do we haven't seen K. I mean we haven't seen L, so let's do that one. Let me just log on to Steam for a sec. Sorry if I'm taking just a tiny bit to load this up. Just takes a while to do this type of stuff, especially when you have a bunch of stuff going on. I'm gonna put up the back screen with the music, alright, while I do this, so yeah. Alright, so you know how my mic was muted for most of the time? I think I'm just gonna do everything back over besides from the besides for the GMDK game jam and Minecraft. So we're gonna basically do a lot of this again. Alright. So L, oh, that was in C minus minus, so I opened the wrong thing. Wow, I did not notice that. So basically, let me open a different one. Let me just open C minus minus, because that was L. Alright, let me share VS Code right here. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm probably going to do just everything over, and I'm moving the project way back because, wow, that was a lot. Some of you who may have tuned onto the previous stream probably, that's probably saw it. Please don't say in the chat. I want it to be a surprise for everyone else who tuned in. I mean, of course, some people can just watch part one. You know, pretty simple, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to VS Code, wherever that is. Let's see. I don't see VS Code, like, well, it's really anywhere. Very weird. Probably just going to, just gonna change this to be instead Visual Studio Code. I open up the old folder. Seriously? Can I open up the main folder right here? See my minus. Alright, there we go. Also, this will serve as a Q&A, so anyone can just, you know, ask me some questions. So, yeah. In the meantime, I'm gonna do some tags on this video right here. I'm gonna make sure I'm not mute, because you know what happened last time. Let me just do some stuff before I fully review this on Visual Studio Code. Let me just, where it says, what was I supposed to be doing again? Yes, gain some tags on this video. Okay, let me see. Let me just get rid of this some folders. I don't want people to access this. Okay, I don't even care. So basically, I am going to clear this. Let me check the chat. Okay. So basically, a C minus minus is like a crappy clone of CL. A new Pi doesn't even have anything in it. So on our main, we open this, and then we split it. So let's see, is there anything interesting? You have some semicolon detection. There is nothing really interesting, so probably gonna do something else. By the way, all of this is available on GitHub for you guys to view if you guys want to. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to actually show you guys L, which I've been working on for quite a bit. It's not a special project, but some little language. This is the wrong one. Yeah, this is the wrong one. Yeah, okay, never mind. Yeah, so, yeah, this one from February, not May 24th. There we go. So basically, what this is, it's a little programming. So I'm gonna show you what this is. So this makes a variable called test and then just prints. That's what this language that's what this program does in my language right here. So first I need to run main.py and then I need to run main.blue via that Python file. And we get our output test. So yeah. Now we can also do for our test, actually no, not make a new variable. We can also set this variable to be something else, as we can see right here. As you see, instead of getting tested, we get sus because we set this to a different value, alright? Hello, Nate Pixel. I'm kind of doing a stream over again because, fun fact, my mic was muted the entire time. So I'm going to cover a lot of stuff again. Only thing I'm not covering is the GMTK because that was done with my mic on. And Minecraft because that takes a million years to load. So basically, we can also do a bit of other stuff. Let's see, what else can we do? We can make variables, obviously. Yeah, we can also get inputs. So for example, we can do inputs. And then we can do something like name. And if we make a variable called test, make it a string, and just set that. Can you do this without just setting a value, or do they have to be set a value? Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna do this just to be safe and make sure I don't get any errors. So, when I run this as an access for our name, we're gonna do twin gamer dudes. And then it prints it out. Basically a little simple thing. Yes, it is pretty sad. And plus, that really does hurt the stream in the YouTube algorithm because, fun fact, the YouTube algorithm doesn't like you really doing a stream again. Also, if you want to know why it immediately ended, it was actually because my hard drive disconnected. And Streamlabs is on there, so that's an extra rib. Now, I don't want to cover too much languages, so, the last one we're covering for now, I think, or just in total, is Scratchline. Scratchline is basically a language. It's basically Scratch if it was line-based. And it converts its code to Scratch. Here's its syntax. I think it looks extremely nice. Here it is. Here's his code. Also, all of this is open source on GitHub. So you can check that out. I'm gonna send you the GitHub link, or basically everyone in here. Check it out on GitHub. It is open source. So now I'm gonna show you the output result of this little entire thing. So let me just get Scratch to be open. Let me just open this in Scratch. It's not the exact same program because this was compiled previously on a different thing. Oh wait, there it is. Oh, it's something different. It was a different SB3 file. Alright, let's see. Yeah, there was that. No, that's not really that interesting. That one was me testing and doing just a ton of stuff. Yeah, so I'm just open up test.sb3 because that one actually has. Oh, rib. Yeah, that really does suck. Let me open up TurboWarp desktop. I hope you are okay, by the way. Anyways, let me open this up. Okay, let's see. There we go. So this is a extremely basic program made within Blocky. It's not the exact same thing as I showed you in the main.block file, but they have pretty similar codes. So as you can see, it just moves the sprite forever in the left direction. Nothing that complex, so yeah. Alright, let's see what else we have on our list. We have the abstract engine. I also moved the chat room thing to be a bit earlier, later within the stream. So abstract engine is a little 3D engine I made in Scratch. You know, me trying to break the possibilities of Scratch again. I do this a lot. Alright, let me just open this. Okay, yeah, this is open. Let me see if I can find this. Okay, yeah, there we go. There's an abstract engine. Let me just scale this. Let me full screen this for a sec. Let me get some ugly black bars. Here is the abstract, white bars. Here's the abstract engine. It's a 3D engine. Let me just get rid of this passing. Here's the little empty sprite. Here's this little source inspired screen, by the way. All this is on GitHub. Make sure to check it out. This is a little mini source inspired menu. We can just click new game. It'll summon us into this little thing right here. This is actually based on the Green Lego Flash's great tutorial series. I expanded on it. So, as you can see, we have this little guy right here. I actually did custom ray casting by myself. I know he made a tutorial on this just a few days ago, but I did this way before him. So, we can just press E to... I know something else was in it. Let me check the code, because I know this should work. Especially since with the improved array casting. So, let's see. I swear this worked. Was I changing array casting and that broke it? Let's see. Maybe it's just not deleting it. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yep. This is the problem, right? Yeah, dude, I swear I did this. I fixed this such a while ago. Well, as you see, we can still hit the walls and stuff. Hit everywhere, some stuff just doesn't have stuff. I don't know why the guy isn't working. I fixed that last time, but I guess he's broken once again. Of course he is. Oh, we got him. We got him. There we go. So there's some basic raycasting. There's also some sounds. I think I removed that capability to summon stuff. Oh, no, I haven't. You can see there's little, basic sound things. Can I push you off? No, I cannot. Well, they can't collide with each other, so that's a rip. So, yeah. That one is a pretty short one. I did not know how short this would be. I thought this would take a long time to do. Our next thing is some of our click team games. I'm probably gonna move the special project down. I did not know how quick we would get through that. Like, I don't know how fast we would get through that. So I'm gonna put it just at the very bottom. So our next scene on the list is some click team games. So if you guys don't know what click team is, it is a 3D engine, not 3D, 2D engine that allows you to program in with visuals, kind of like Scratch, but better, makes desktop applications more complex, and it costs money. So We have this game called Quest for a Mouth. I don't know why I named it that, but I'm extremely bad at names. It's a classic within me. So, let me just share that for a sec, right? There is Click Team. Good old Click Team. Did I full screen this? Yeah, I full screen that. There is the little main area for it. Fun fact about Click Team, this is actually the thing that made Five Nights at Freddy's. Anyways, here it is. Let's run the entire thing. So you have this cool transition, and this enemy is floating above ground for some reason. There's a little platform controller, and this enemy can actually kill us. We have a little simple life thing. If I collide with the enemy, we lose a life, and we have a bit of durability, kind of like in Mario, where we are invincible for a short amount of time. Oh, well, there goes the player. I need wall collision right there. Oh, cool, fade out transition. I'm gonna show you what happens when you get a game over. So I'm gonna ram into this enemy a tiny bit. And the player does this little cool death animation. It zooms out and it goes into the game over screen. Where the player is completely being up and oh yeah, that player is screwed up. Oh my, I didn't even share my screen. Oh, that's a bra moment. Alright, let me share that for a second. Also, anybody is free to ask me any questions about anything, because this also serves as a Q&A. Let me just run this game for a sec. Alright, let's see. Where is this? That's just a duplicate thing. There we go. Alright, here it is. So as you can see, I also made all the art by myself. I think it's pretty good. Especially for me. This enemy is floating above ground for some reason. But you can also take damage, also have some invulnerability, like in some Super Mario or something. And here's what happens when we die as well. The player does a cool little death animation. It zooms out and then it shows the player completely injured. Yeah, the player really did die right there. Yeah, a lot of my artwork is cubes because they are easy to make. You can also retry. So here's me retrying. Thank you, an 8-pixel. We can let me go back to the death screen, and we can also quit as well. So I can just quit. Oh wait, that wasn't ready yet. Well, it's an easy thing to add. We'll also show you some. I'll also show everyone some of my other Click Team games. Here's a thing called physics. It's a physics sandbox basically. Little mini physics sandbox. So I'm gonna show you this. Let me just edit this and okay, there it is. Can you guys see this? You can see that completely fine. So we can add other objects. We can hold right click to move these guys. You can just add a ton of other objects. And it has a pretty nice physics extension. There are some bugs like it literally just floating above ground, like some of the stuff. Otherwise, that's pretty nice. I'm also trying to work on adding impulses, which I forgot what key that was. So let's see what key was that. Okay, it doesn't seem to be any key, so I guess I removed it. So just a simple physics sandbox. I can crash my computer if I want to with this. Is this a good idea? Should I do this? Hello, Luigi's and Dev. Welcome back. We are right now basically doing an entire stream again, just a bit different. Only thing I'm not doing. Name this game engine Click Team Fusion 2.5. Now basically I put the MMO just to be like the last thing we do in this stream because it takes a very quick amount of time. I don't know how. So so yeah, we have done. Yeah, it's a pretty nice game engine. It does cost some hefty. It does cost some. It does cost some a hefty amount. This version, the normal version is $100. The developer version is $500. They're paying a hefty price for this. Yeah, I changed the latency in my Streamlabs settings, so no more crappy latency, which is really nice. So this is a little physics sandbox I made right here. The physics engine is provided by Clear Team. I just made this. After this, after I review all my projects besides my chat room, because I want like way more people to be on here. Um, I am basically I forgot what I was gonna say. Also, the reason why I'm redoing the stream is because for literally 1 hour and like 20 minutes, basically almost the entire duration of the previous stream, my mic was mute. Besides for the GMTK game jam part, and I think yeah, that's really it. I didn't do the Minecraft mod because you know, I'm also gonna set up a poll. What should we do after I show projects? Let me just make this little poll. Also, do keep in mind with this poll. Yeah, this is a pretty nice game, John. Do keep in mind with this poll. If you don't choose to mess around with my secret project, it will be done at the end of the stream. Either way, alright? It's just that's just saying if you want to do that just immediately. I'm gonna see if there's any more Click Team games we can do. We have shitty games, so what's that about? Oh, I know what this is. You want to see it? It's really low quality. It's this crappy ripoff of space shooters, and it doesn't even work properly. So yeah, not really the best thing. You also have shut up. I'm not saying that to you in the chat. That is the name of the game. You were basically the entire point of the game was you were trying to get everyone else to shut up. As you see, is similar artwork to the Quest for a Mouth. Just that this is a top-down game, and it doesn't really work either. I already created a game engine. What do you mean? I already created a game engine. Also, let me share the GitHub to the YouTube special so you guys should check that out. Oh, and if any of you guys want to see the game engine I made, there you can check out that thing on the GitHub repository. Or the game mentions its .io page. Its .io page has some cool downloads and stuff. Okay, you guys really do want me to make something, I see. Yes, that's 100%. Let me just also share the GitHub. I mean, itch.io. So, what else do we have on the list? We have some Roblox projects. Alright, I want to make this quick because there's going to be some huge cringe in this. And it's probably going to be the longest one because we're going to be doing a lot of stuff. There's literally lots of Roblox games as projects we have to go through that have been completely unreleased. Quite a bit of stuff. A lot of these are little demos for like graphics and stuff. Because I was really into just making just high quality stuff. Roblox, like super good graphics. I'm just gonna wait for this to load for a sec. Alright. So we have quite a bit. First we can do, oh, there's Piggy game that is not public, and it's literally public. I find that to be a hypocrite. Oh, 30%? Yo, that's pretty late. Wait, did a hard drive just unplug? Oh, hard drive did not unplug. Oh, I got scared for a sec. Basically, no, that didn't happen. Basically, it's not that bad. Steam